You're gonna hold it. Hey everybody, just wanted to go over a few things about the great 2025 Rotary Thanksgiving Food Drive, especially for those who are going to be there during the first shift between 10 and 12, and for those that will be there for the last shift between 2 and 4. So when you arrive, you will see a box that looks like this, that has a lot of supplies in it. You will also see foldable tables, and we want the tables in front of, or to the sides of the doors. Don't block the doors into the Ralphs, just be off to the side a little bit. You will take these beautiful tablecloths and put them on the tables, and if someone can run in the store and grab a couple of cans of just anything, pumpkin puree, beans, whatever, just to kind of seed the table. So next thing you're going to want to do is find the flattened boxes that have been left there and start putting those together. To put those together, you're going to want to use this tape gun. There's a couple of them in each box, and there's extra tape. You can always call me if you run out of any kind of supplies, and I can run them to you. So you want to put together 14 boxes and line them up against the walls of the store. At El Camino, you want to line them kind of around that little fountain there. And then above them, you want to use the masking tape to put these signs. There's 14 of these signs plus one for the turkeys that goes on a shopping cart. Use the masking tape so it doesn't take the paint off of the Ralphs. They don't like that very much. So once this is all laid out, when people start bringing you food, you'll want to take the food and put it in the proper box. Particularly with the boxes that have cans in them, once it's half full, because we don't want to strain anybody's back, close the box up, use a Sharpie, which will also be in the milk crate, to write what it is on all 4 sides of the box. So it's easier for us to identify when we start consolidating things. With the turkeys, this is a very generous community. We get a lot of turkeys. You want to take these little tags, also in the milk crate, write Rotary on them, and then just, thread it through the bag that the turkey's in. And pretty much fill up a shopping cart. There's going to be someone come by a couple of times during the day to take those to a freezer at FAM. But if you feel like things are thawing out, there are freezers at Ralph's that they are happy to let us use. So if you don't know where the freezers are, just ask. So that's pretty much the setup. Oh, one more thing. We have a big Rotary poster. It's nice for people to understand who's asking them for the food. So if you could put this by one of the tables, there's lots of places to hang them up again with masking tape. Okay, so now you're all set up. People are raring to give you stuff as they walk into the store. Hand them one of these. Tell them you're from Rotary and that we are putting together between 400 and 600 meals for Camp Pendleton Marines, Laura's House, and FAM, and that we would greatly appreciate it if they can bring us anything on this list, and then we'll go ahead and consolidate everything for them. That's pretty much it. You'll be amazed and gratified at how generous the community is. So that is pretty much the road. Oh, one more thing. We do have details. Well, we do have manila envelopes. If people give you cash and or gift cards from the stores, please mark that on the front of the manila envelope. Put the money and or the gift cards into the manila envelope. And with the gift cards, if they come out with a receipt that shows you how much the gift card is worth, tape that again with masking tape to the card so we know exactly what we've got. So that's it. The day goes by very quickly, and then as I say, people come and take the turkeys and take the boxes. At the end of the day, we take all of the signs down, we take our big sign down, and then Sunday we'll do it all again. Thank you all so much for volunteering for this. This is our biggest fundraiser every year, and this year, clearly, it's needed more than ever.